Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Galaxy Blue Sapphire Plaza, which is a commercial space. And this is the 130-meter wide road in front of this commercial project. This is one of the biggest mall in Noida Extension. This commercial project comprises of commercial space, office spaces, retail shops, exclusive shops, and many more. This project provides many special facilities like doctor's clinic, restaurants, takeaway, saloons, spa and gym, ATMs and bank, bar and pub, hotel, and banquets. So now if we talk about the specifications of this commercial project, Galaxy Blue Sapphire Plaza is spread over 6 acres of land. It's a Thailand-based mall structure. It carries total 22 number of floors and have 3 side entry gate. So if we talk about 7 to 22 floors, they are constructed for office and service apartment. So this is the entire view of the surrounding. It's an under construction project. So if we talk about the second floor is for institution area. Third floor is for medical purpose and total 51 cabin with the different size 250 square feet to 450 square feet. Fourth and fifth floor is constructed for banquet hall. Sixth floor is constructed for gymnasium. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.